Yes.
Fucking heart's racing, dude.
Let's hope we make it. What's going on with that dude? He's getting sucked into the thing, isn't he?
No, he's driving still.
Oh, is he?
Yeah. This is scary, Spence. Fucking worried, man. Don't let the water get in.
I want to get some good video. This is how advanced restoration rolls. This is us. Yeah, dude. No, we are not in a boat. We are in the RV. Oh, look, there's a semi behind us.
Slipping.
Oh my God. They need help. Keep going.
Be careful, man. That current will fucking take you.
Dude, she had a baby in there, man.
Yeah, I know.
They got her. They got her. They got her. Why would they do that with a baby in the trunk? Getting thinner. Yeah, we just drove through like 3 or 4 feet of water, man.
I don't know about this little, what is this spot right here?
I don't know. Don't stop.
Don't stop even in this creek?
Dude, we can't stop now.
Oh, I
Gun it.
I can see the lines. I am gunning it.
Oh. Holy shit, dude. This is crazy. Dude, I can barely get the door open. Dude, look at the waves we're making. Wow. Oh, this is gonna go on
the
Facebook.
Trailer. I can't even see the tires on the fucking trailer. I can't. You can't even see them. Oh, no, you can now a little bit. And the tire on the trailer was underneath.
We're almost there, man.
We're good. We just made it through the fucking gauntlet. Now we're good. We might have fucked ourselves with the generator, but.
Service dude. Mechanical dude. Wow. I can't believe they drove through that with a baby in the truck. I was about to jump out.
I know, I saw you. I was like, be smooth, man. My man was swimming in it.
Yeah. If they wouldn't have got to her, I would have jumped. I would have been swimming back to her. Well, we made it through. For now.